Out in the endless ocean, a giant moves in silence.
Steel, power, and human ambition dominate the sea.
But the ocean never truly belongs to man.
Nature watches and waits.
Something's not right.
Every disaster begins with a warning.
The sea starts to change. Starts to change. Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
The ship is breached.
Seal all compartments! Now!
Seconds begin to matter.
The balance is lost. The ocean pulls harder. And the storm awakens. The sea shows its true face.
We're losing power! We're losing power!
A floating giant, now helpless.
A floating giant, now helpless.
No control, no escape.
Survival becomes the only mission.
Move! Move!
Some make it, some don't. The end draws closer. The ocean claims its prize.
Years of effort, gone in moments.
Years of effort, gone in moments. Leadership faces its final test.
The sea breaks through.
No force can stop it now.
A giant bows to the deep. Life flows. Destruction sinks.
This is the moment of no return.
Down into the unknown. Down into the unknown. The ocean grows silent. Memories sink with steel.
crushed by endless pressure.
The storm moves on.
Survivors drift between hope and fear.
Humanity returns.
Help arrives, just in time.
Lives saved from the abyss.
The sea remembers everything.
A silent grave.
Nature reclaims what was taken. Time finishes the job.
The ocean remains undefeated. Beauty hides danger. Above, peace. Below, tragedy.
A reminder of human limits.
The sea forgets no one.
And never forgives. Even after sinking, the struggle continues.
A name once proud, now forgotten.
Life adapts where disaster sleeps.
It all began with hope.
And ended in darkness.
The ocean keeps its secrets.
As if nothing ever happened.
As if nothing ever happened.
Human power is temporary.
The sea is eternal.
This is the power of the deep.